Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to use the lock screen shortcuts on this device. So if you add any shortcut on your lock screen, so we can quickly access the apps like the camera or flashlight directly from the lock screen. So let me show you. First of all, go to the lock screen. So on the lock screen, you can see the shortcuts are the camera and the flashlight. So let me show you how to use this from the lock screen. If you want to open the camera, press on the camera shortcut and swipe to the screen, center of the screen. So if you want to enable or turn on the flashlight, tap on the flashlight, then swipe inwards to the screen. You can see the flashlight is enabled. Okay. So again, if you want to open the camera directly from the home screen, lock screen, press on the camera icon and inverts towards the center of the screen. And if you want to turn on the flashlight, press on the lock screen and swipe inwards. Now you can see the torchlight is enabled. If you want to turn off this one, again press on the torch icon, then swipe inwards. Okay, so simply in this way we can use the lock screen shortcut on this device. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.